Check this
Guess
out.
the top 10 easiest ways to get rich.
I'm going to say the number one is winning the lottery.
Winning the lottery is not the easiest. It's actually quite hard to do.
Easiest ways to get rich, investing in the stock market.
Investing is number 2, specifically the index funds.
That makes sense.
Investing is number 2. Index funds, it's number 2. Like it's crazy. It's crazy. Just keep watching.
I am in there. I need to put more money in. Be a real estate agent.
Real estate investing is number 5. What do we do?
Be a podcast.
I've always think like a real estate, it's like one of the OG of the investments. Yeah. But it's number 5. Which one do you think it can be number 1? Please let me know in the comment below because this is shocking, right? Listen to this.
Content creation is number 4.
People could sell.
Could you really imagine like content creation can make people rich? Like number 4 on the list. I don't believe it, but it's like that. Especially in America and in Europe, like brands, they do rely so much on influencers and celebrities just to make their product stand out. Content creation is number 4. I mean, people like Kai Center, Aisha Speed, people like Mr. Beast. There is so many plenty of creators that are billionaire. Like Mr. Beast is a billionaire. Okay, so he started from playing games and stuff, and now his video costs about $3 million for just one video creation. Alright, the boy Aisha Speed traveled the world streaming 24 hours 7. Like, it's kind of crazy, but it's giving people a lot of money. So maybe you should start thinking about start creating contents, investing in index funds or real estate. Those can work. All right.
Sell stuff.
You could work in sales. Work in sales is number 3. There's no ceiling on how much you could make.
Winning in blackjack.
Sales representatives. Yeah, that will be number 3. Yeah.
Casino.
No, those aren't that easy to do.
Investing in a startup.
That's number 6, an own equity startup. What's this?
So talking about equity startup, I mean, Johannesburg is one of the city in Africa with most millionaires. I think about 12 or 14,000 millionaires live in Johannesburg, South Africa, which is bring it as the biggest city with the millionaires in Africa, right? And when you do the research about those millionaires and how to get their money, they say 80% of those millionaires, they get their money through equity, investing in startup, right? Or from their job where they've been working for years, and then they buy shares. Right? So there is so many ways of buying shares, but I'm not gonna go deep down there. But I will advise you to do some research of how to get the share from your company, and then you can continue like that so you can get your own equity, because this is making a lot of people rich, especially in Africa where you don't have any sort of a big amount of money to start business or to own the company by yourself. At least you can buy share, you can buy equity, and then you can become millionaires like that. And that's the reason why Johannesburg, South Africa has 14,000 millionaires. It's kind of crazy, but investing in equity, it works a lot. Okay, let's go.
It's the internet, right?
You can sell things.
What did DeGilio do?
He sold things on Amazon.
You could create an online business. That's number 8. What do technical develop?
Online business. I mean, only thinking about doing something like some side hustle. But for me, I wouldn't advise people to mix side hustle and their work. But I would say you can do your side hustle, and your side hustle must be something like your dream. You are investing in your dream, but as long as you don't have the ability to like go deep in your dreams, you can still working for some people and then keep on investing in your dream slowly and slowly. And this is always work. because so many people start like that, but investing in their dreams, and now they blew up. Okay, we still haven't gotten to number one. It's kind of funny, but it's crazy. Let me know what do you think for the number one before you get to the number one, because number one is really really crazy. It's funny, man. Like online business is number eight.
Developers do.
Websites.
They build websites or software and apps. That's number 9. What do you call it when you own something
Software engineers number nine. Really, it's crazy.
for a brand?
IP.
Intellectual property. That's number 7. Number 10's tough, so I'm going to give it to you. It's leverage other people's money. And then number
Leverage as a people's man, accountant or whatever. And the number one, here it is.
1 is the easiest of them all. I'm surprised you haven't said it yet. The easiest way for me to get rich is do what?
Marry rich.
Marry rich is the number 1 option.
This is really crazy. Marry rich is number one. Is the quickest way to get rich is to marry rich, because the last time they've done the studies, they show like a 10 out of 10 women billionaires, they got their money from marrying billionaires. People like Françoise Betancourt, of Liliane and Françoise Betancourt, the people from L'Oreal Paris. I mean, started to name people. Who's that? Is that Amanda Gates, Bill Gates' ex-wife, Jeff Bezos? I mean, it's always like that. So for you to get rich as a woman, you need to marry rich. Unfortunately, men can't marry men to get rich. And this is actually crazy. But me, I was just like shocked, because as a content creator, and I see like the easiest way to get rich,
Just
like
the top 10 highest.
content creation is like number 4. And I'm like, actually, if you play so big, it's gonna work out for you, right? It's gonna work out for you. But many people, they give up before the right time is arriving. You know what I'm saying? There is a lot of things. There is sales. I mean, you can sell stuff, you can build stuff online, you can create stuff. I mean, it's just a matter of like a persistence, and keep doing better every day, keep learning every day, because there is so many skills out there, but these are the top 10 easiest skills to make you rich, especially in 2025, right now where AI is like dominating. I will advise